Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give collaborators access to your Shopify store. This is perfect if you're working with a designer, developer, or marketing partner who needs to help manage your store without giving them full ownership. First, your collaborator will need to log in to their Shopify Partner dashboard. Once they're inside, they should go to the Stores section. Here, they'll click on Add Store and select the Managed Store option. Next, they'll enter your Shopify store URL. After that, they can choose which permissions they need. This could include access to products, orders, or store settings, depending on what kind of work they'll be doing. If they want, they can also add a short message with their request. Once everything is filled out, they click Save to send the collaboration request. Now, it's your turn as the store owner. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the incoming collaborator request. You'll review the request and confirm which permissions you want to grant. Once you approve, your collaborator will have access to your store according to the permissions you set. A few important things to keep in mind. Make sure you trust the collaborator because they'll have access to sensitive store information. Only the store owner can add or remove collaborators. Also, a collaborator can only be added to one store at a time. So if you have multiple stores, you'll need to add them to each individually. And that's it. You've successfully given someone access to your Shopify store so they can help you manage products, orders, and settings safely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know who you're adding as a collaborator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.